IP68 water resistant phones. These words are pretty familiar to us from 2016's flagship phones Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. And the question is, what makes Samsung phones water resistant? My name is Irshad, you're watching Phonerefer. Let's get started. Even with the turn-off ports in the phone, still it stands for water resistance. Water resistance is commonly different from waterproof. It won't covered in warranty, and how would they come to know that the phone has been damaged with water? At the top of the phone there is a litmus kind of paper there which tells if the phone has water damage or not. Until it comes to contact with water, the paper turns into the pink color. It can be seen by removing the SIM tray from there. As it's the same, there is one more at the bottom side of the phone. And the charging port has a rubber sealing all around it which protects against water forcing to enter into the phone only if it is 1.5 meters above 5 feet. If water goes some more deep, apparently phone will pop up a warning won't charge until water drain out of from there. Here you can see the rubber kind of glue all around the body of the phone that also helps to stop the water to get into the phone. And the loudspeaker stays waterproof by its new kind of screen at the above of the speaker grill which allows the sound to pass but not water. It's a kind of new nano material. The headphone jack also has a rubber sealing around it, also glued around the back. The power button also sealed from the inside. Rather than the sealing from outside like Sony did, Samsung sealed the phone from inside. That makes it possible to water resistant. That's pretty much for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.